How I'd build a business from 100 pounds in 2025. Step-by-step guide. Let's say I wake up tomorrow with just 100 pounds in my bank account. No rich uncle, no side income, nothing but 100 pounds and Wi-Fi. What would I do? Here's the honest truth. In 2025, building a business from scratch isn't a fantasy. But most people fail because they follow outdated advice, dropshipping, affiliate links, endless research. Let me show you exactly what I do in today's UK economy with real steps that actually work. Step 1. Choose the right micro niche. First, forget broad industries like fitness or fashion. Those are saturated. Instead, I'd find a hyper-specific pain point in a niche people are already spending money in. Here's how. Head to Reddit, Quora, and TikTok comments. Search forums like Mumsnet, UK business forums, and even Trustpilot reviews. Look for complaints, repeated frustrations. Phrases like, "I wish someone just," or "Why doesn't this exist?" Let's say I find busy UK parents struggling to organize weekly meals. There's your micro niche. Your goal here isn't perfection, it's clarity. Find a specific group with a specific problem and solve it affordably. Step 2. Validate before you build. Most beginners waste months building something nobody wants. So I'd validate fast using free tools. Make a landing page using Card.co or Google Forms. Offer a simple solution, a downloadable 5-pound weekly meal planner, a meal prep calendar, or a Sunday meal bootcamp. Post in relevant Facebook groups, subreddits, and WhatsApp community chats. Say, "I'm testing this idea to help busy parents with meal planning. Would you be interested in trying it?" If you get even 5 responses from strangers, you've got proof of demand. Now you've built something people want, not just what you think they want. Step 3. Set up your micro-income engine. With 100 pounds, every pound matters. Here's how I'd spend it. 15 to 20 pounds on a domain name using Namecheap or GoDaddy. 0 to 15 pounds for a basic site with Card or Gumroad, or use Linktree with a payment link. 30 pounds to 50 pounds for basic Canva Pro or Upwork graphics if needed. 10 pounds for Facebook group promotion, only if organic reach slows down. You now have a product and a simple checkout system. Boom! You're officially in business. Step 4. Leverage free distribution. Forget ads. You need attention first. I'd focus on short-form content, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Why? Because in 2025, organic reach is highest on those platforms, especially for new creators. I'd make 1 to 2 short videos daily, showing behind the scenes of the product,
sharing tips for busy UK parents, answering common questions or myths. Add a call to action at the end like, "Want my free starter pack? Link in bio." This builds email subscribers and potential customers without spending more than time. Step 5. Multiply with digital offers. Once I get 10 to 20 customers, I'd build more offers around that audience. A 9-pound upgraded planner with bonus templates, a 27-pound video mini course, meal prep mastery for working parents, a 49-pound consultation or personalized weekly meal coaching. These are digital products. No shipping, no inventory, no customer service headaches, and they stack. That's how 5-pound buyers turn into 80-pound customers, and suddenly your little 100-pound experiment is bringing in consistent monthly income. Step 6. Build in public. Build trust. Now I'd start documenting everything. The wins, the sales, the mistakes, the feedback. Why? Because people follow transparency. They trust honesty over perfection. Post weekly updates on Twitter, LinkedIn, or Threads. Start a Substack. Say, "Week 3, I made 79 pounds from a product I created in my bedroom. Here's what I learned." People will follow. They'll root for you. Some will become customers. Some will share your journey. You don't need millions. You just need 100 true fans. And the trust they give you is worth gold. Bringing it together. So with just £100, here's what we've done. Found a profitable UK niche, validated it without wasting time, created and sold a simple product, leveraged free marketing, turned a side hustle into a real brand. This isn't fantasy. This is how real creators are winning quietly in 2025, especially in the UK. You don't need funding, you don't need luck. You just need clarity, consistency, and the courage to start. If this helped, subscribe. I'll keep sharing real, no-fluff strategies to grow your income, your brand, and your wealth right here in the UK. Because you deserve to build more than just dreams. You deserve to build results. Let's grow smart. Let's profit together.